Hello, Samuel Testile. Now we shall start with the chapter's detail as we have finished with the introduction part of primary activity. So before that, we will try to understand what is economic activity. All right, economic activity is an economic activity which generates income in return, or human activity which generates income in return. So that is known as an economic activity. And next we will try to define the primary economic activity, the activity which directly related with the nature. Okay, that is known as primary economic activity. And this primary economic activity is also known as red collar job. And because this activity is directly related with the earth, so that's why it's known as red collar job. And now we shall start with the whole topic. And now I'll tell you how you need to study this chapter. You try to give the number for this topic, all the topics that has been discussed in your textbook. On the 16 numbering it will come, and if you study in that order, then you will understand the chapter better and easy, and it will be a structured and systematic one. Okay, so I'll try to give a numbering for all the topics so that it will be easy for you to learn, right? Next, now the hunting, as I've told you, hunting and gathering, these two are the oldest job or oldest activities, primary activity. Okay, and hunting, what is hunting? Hunting is the killing of animal, right? And this play an important role in the early man's time and even today, right? So people living in a very cold region, all right, like a tundra regions, and a hot climatic condition areas. So people survive on hunting. These people survive on hunting. They are making living out of hunting. Their food, shelter, and clothing, everything derived from the animals or by hunting. And people living in the coastal area will have a lot of coastal area. Am I right? Okay. Whole of the America has a coastal area. Whole of the Northern and Southern America continent has the coastal area. Whole of the African continent has a coastal area, and the Asia, right, have coastal area, and then the Australia is a coastal area. So all those coastal area we are talking about. So they are still dependent on fishing. And fishing is a very, very important economic activity even today. Is that okay? Many countries, all right, like Japan, all right, and the country which falls on in the coastal areas, their main job is fishing. The main country's economic activity, one of the country's economic activity is fishing. The next one is gathering. Gathering is nothing but the collecting. What you will collect? You will collect berries, fruits, plants, right? Root, bark, honey from the forest, and making a living. And why they are doing so? Because they have a very less product or a production or a produce or no surplus. No surplus means there's nothing to sell in the market. The product which they are getting is consumed by themselves. All right. So there's no surplus product for them to sell in the market, right? Okay. So gathering, collections of plants, fruits, berries, and herbs for sustains living. Okay. And primitive society in the sense old society. Okay. Depend on gathering as they do not have any surplus product at all to sell in the market or to make a profit or to make a commercial purpose. Then, so in the world, where do this gathering practice? So gathering is practiced in high latitude zone. Then next is low latitude zone. Now you try to understand how many latitudes are there first. Alright, which is the highest latitude, which is the lowest latitude? Okay, how many latitudes are there? So we have a highest latitude is 90 degree, am I right? Lowest latitude is 0 degree. Alright, so in the near to the above 60 or above 66.5, you can say all those are high latitude areas. Or above 40, you can say all those are high latitude areas. Or above 30, you can say high latitude areas. So those high latitude areas, all right, and this gathering is practiced, and especially in the above 60s. For example, the northern Canada and the northern Eurasia in the sense Europe and Asia, and southern Chile, a country, right, in South America. I'll show you that in the map. Okay, we'll try to go with this low latitude zone near to the equator or a hot region. Okay, these are cold regions, cold, and these are if it is a low latitude means it's a hot region, right? Hot areas, warm area. Okay, so these are Amazon basin, tropical Africa, and northern Australia, interior parts of southeastern Asia. Okay, we shall see that in map. So first one is, we have discussed the northern Canada. So this is Canada in the world map, right? North America and South America, and this is Canada. So in these regions, in these areas, right, the gathering is practiced, right, and even in these areas, okay, and the hunting too. Hunting is also practiced in the cold areas, these Greenland and these parts, okay, these areas, okay. And next one is we have discussed with the Eurasia. So northern Eurasia, Europe and Asia, right? These areas are the Eurasian plate or high latitude areas. These areas practices the gathering. And next one is Chile. All right, Chile falls in the the South America, and here they will practice the, especially here, right? This is Chile, right? And in this area they will practice the gathering. Then next one is low latitude area. Low latitude areas we have seen the Brazil, right? Or Amazon basin. And this is Brazil, and wherever the Amazon makes its basin, right? Or wherever the Amazon river flows, those areas, and the people practices gathering, right? The next important thing that we have learned is Africa, right? In the Africa, all right, African continent, and they practices gathering, all right, is an important part. And the interior of the Asia, right? Interior or a Central Asia, you can say. And for example, in Tibet, the collections of Yagzagumbo, all right, a larva, right, and collecting and making a huge amount of it, right? And many Tibetan people, they survive collecting the Yagzagumbo, right? And the northern fringe here, northern fringe of Australia. Okay, so with this we have finished with the the showing or locating the area where the gathering practices. Okay, and mind you, this the locating or locations of this gathering will come in the examination. Mainly, most of the time they used to ask. Okay, so it's important to learn. Then now gathering in the modern time, okay. As I've told you, the Yagzagumbu still they collect the Yagzagumbu, right? A larva from the high altitude areas or meadows, okay. And many Tibetan people living their life on the base of that. And there are many other plants and herbs, right? They do collect, okay. And they collect mainly for commercial purpose. Commercial purpose means for profit making or selling in the market, right? The next one is, now we try to see the uses of the plant which has been collected, right? So many of the plant, root, leaf, and bark can be used for beverage purpose. Beverage means which will give you a relaxation, all right, after taking bath. And then the many plants are collected from the, for example, the Arjun, Tulsi, Yagzagumbu. Many plants are collected from the nature for medicinal purpose or for the drugs, right? And next one is cosmetic purpose. You know the cosmetics are fibers, making clothes, tags, making roof, and fabric, food, oil, rubber, gum. So these are some of the uses of the gatherer and who have collected the plants, all right, or a bark, leaves from the nature. All right. With this, we have finished with the two main topics, that is hunting and gathering. Number 1 and 2. I've told just now. I've told you that there are 16 main points, and I'm going to give a numbering on it, by which the learning of this chapter will be easy for you. Right. Thank you so much.